Anong nangyari? Ha? Sinagin.
Ito banda. Naglakad. Exercise ah.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago. There's things I can't seem to let go, and I feel like I'm all on my own. And some days it gets worse and the memories hurt, but I hope that one day I let go. I know I get mad, too mad, and I don't wanna do that. It hurts bad and I hate when the mood lasts. I move fast and I try hard to move past all the pain, cause I'm looking for a bright side in my mind, cause you only got one life. Need advice from the future, am I alright? If this fight feels like something from your own life, then one time let me hear you sing. Sometimes things will get hard and leave you covered in scars, but I know I could get out of this. And I feel like life moves way too fast to hold on to things from the past. So goodbye to things I'll never miss. We don't run, no, we stand together and hold on through the angry weather. We all want to make something better, I know. And my trust has been torn and shredded, it's been rough, but I try to forget it and move on to a place where I can grow. It's time not holding back. I'm coming and coming fast. I know what I wanna have. The dream is to detach from all that is bad, the things holding me back, the people that didn't last, the evil that kept me mad. This is my life, it's my time to do things just how I like. My runway for the lights, I'ma take flight, and my God is my purpose and my fight. If you feel the same, let me hear you say. Sometimes things will get hard and leave you covered in scars, but I know I can get out of this. And I feel like life moves way too fast to hold on to things from the past. So goodbye to things I'll never miss.
Anong nangyari? Ha? Sinakit.
Naglakad. Exercise ah. Ay, hindi sila. Ay, sa likod.
And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Ano na ngayon, madali mo sa bulusan. Kitang-kita sa camera eh. Naglalakad kayo.
Mabuti na lang wala si Jewel. Kung hindi nandito si Jewel, bakit nagsawa na?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Ano to? Ano to, Close?
Ano ba ito?
Kugon Island.
Kugon Island.
Ha? Ay, yun. Overlooking.
Sano? Wow! Hanggang dito. Ano, maglalakad lang ninyo? Hanggang doon kami manguha ng gulaman. Yung mga picture. Nagbabangka lang ito. Kasi wala pa mga daanan dito. Hirap din namin nun, ha? Para ano naman eh, deserve na ninyo ngayon. Natuto kayo.
China. China siguro.
Palipis na.
Kinakain mo.
Oh?
Kasi kinain lang ako eh.
Oo nga.
Pero kinakain mo.
Chinese man.
Piniprito. Punta ka sa speciality nila yun. Exotic food.
Sa ano? Indonesia.
Oo, exotic din din halos pagkain. Highland.
May kape doon, no?
Oo, hindi. Siyempre, pupunta ka rito.
Naligo niyo sa Legends of Knowledge.
Ayun, sa ano? Eh, di yan, dito.
Uy, ano nga yan? Ano nga yan?
Makati yan ah.
Hindi, sa ano talaga sa Legends of
May kapal pagka mamamaya.
Diba, Brazil.
Dali na dito. Express na lang.
Eh, sayang masigod siya.
Sa'yo magpapako. Ay na kami ni ano. Nakunan mo kuya.
Oh, sakto. Ah, babuyan. Ang ganda rito.
Lalo, edit lahat eh.
Oh, coffee muna tayo. Gusto mo mag-video okay, ma? Kasi kailangan dito pumunta ka, mag-video okay ka eh. Coffee muna tayo.
Eh bakit hindi niyo nakuha ang salamin ng ano?
Barako.
Kulang sa time?
Hindi, 1 linggo yun eh.
Ano to, close? Ano to? Pugon. This is a Pugon
Highlands.
Highlands, no? Pugon Highlands. Oh. Pugon Highlands. Na kami. See you guys. Uwi na. Thank you, Pugon Highlands.